On the evening of 10 September 2020, a reliable source information was received that there are a huge number of arms and ammunition kept hidden in the jungles of Dorengkigre, which have been hidden by GNLA militants before their surrender. Based on this input, search operation was launched by SF-10 operation team under the direction of Superintendent of Police East Garo Hills, today the 11th of September 2020 at wee hours. And at 8 am, the operation team recovered huge cache of arms and ammunition from Pilongre area of Dorengkigre. The list of recovered items are as follows: 1 Claymore IED box, 5 electric detonators, 63 7.6 mm live ammunition, 41 50 BMG live ammunition, about 250 gram explosives. The recovered arms and ammunitions were brought to William Nagar Police Station for taking further necessary action. The case have been registered for further investigation. Efforts are being made to make more recoveries.